and they were like saying, "You see the light?"
लोकेशन है ले से लद्दाख स्काउट रेजिमेंट्री सेंटर
कि जी अभी हो रहा है रात के 1 बजे। जंगलिंग में एक जाएगा
चुस्की ले रहा है। हाँ जी, तो इसे गुड मॉर्निंग के साथ एक और नया व्लॉग शुरू हो रहा है जितने व्लॉग से। तो जुले थांगवाला अभी हम जा रहा है। शायद मैंने कुछ दिन पहले इंस्टाग्राम पे एक पोस्ट डाला था रिलेटेड टू न्यू वर्कशॉप। वो किसके बारे में वो हम बाद में पता चल जाएगा आपको। मगर आपको ये वाला बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि ले में ये लोग आके बाइक पे ये जितने भी आपको देख सकते हैं ये चेयर से यहाँ पे बाइक पे ले जाके ये लोग यहाँ पे सेल करते हैं और अपना प्रॉफिट कमाते हैं। एक और यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, देख सकते हैं आपको। इसमें कितना शायद 10-15 हो सकता है। 15 चेयर्स ऐसे लेके ये हर जगह घूमते हैं और ऐसे सेल करते हैं। ये भी एक काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस है। और तो हम जा रहा है जी हाइल हिमालयन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ अल्टरनेट लर्निंग, वहाँ पे हम जा रहा है। और किसके लिए जा रहा है वो आपको बाद में पता चल जाएगा। और ये वाला वर्कशॉप जो मुझे मिला वो बहुत फॉर्चुनेट मानता हूँ मैं खुद को। और अभी तो मैं चोकलम सर से हूँ, तो चोकलम सर से जाके हम स्कलजंगलिंग जाएंगे। स्कलजंगलिंग से एक और लद्दाखी जो मेरे साथ वहाँ पे हाइल पे जाएंगे, तो उनके साथ हम हाइल जाएंगे। ठीक है जी। और शायद करीब 30 से ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेंट उस वर्कशॉप में पार्टिसिपेट करेगा। तो इस काइंड ऑफ ब्लॉग को मोटो ब्लॉग कहते हैं। जब आप एक स्कूटी या बाइक पे राइड करते हुए जो ब्लॉग करते हैं उसको मोटो ब्लॉग कहते हैं। तो इसका पार्ट 1 आपको शायद इसके वीडियो के बाद आएगा या शायद इस वीडियो से पहले आएगा, उसका मुझे इतना ज्ञान नहीं, क्योंकि एडिटिंग दोनों का हो रहा है। इसका तो शायद आज ही हो जाएगा और उसका भी होने वाला है। तो यहाँ से आप राइट साइड लेंगे तो आप पहुँच जाएंगे साबू विलेज। तो स्ट्रेट जाएंगे तो आप ले सिटी। हाँ जी, तो थोड़ा सा टाइमिंग चेंज हो गया हाइट जाने का, तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पे स्कलजंगलिंग में एक जाएगा चुस्की ले रहा है। और ये वाला दुकान PNB ATM के सामने।
हाँ जी, तो ये वर्कशॉप जो है वो हैंड्स ऑन डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकिंग कोर्स है, जो 21 अगस्त से 30 सितंबर तक चलेगा एट हाइल इन कोलैबोरेशन विद ऑरोविले फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट। तो टोटल 25 स्टूडेंट इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है, डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया एंड 2 फ्रॉम फॉरेन कंट्रीज। एंड मी with other 2 Ladakhi got an opportunity to get a training under them at a free of cost. Total budget of this course is around 35,000, and Heil sponsor us for making this course, and it's possible that my dreams might come true after this. And as I never been to film school, but really eager to join with them, learning new things, basic and every things with them. And do watch this vlog, beautiful things to come on. Okay, thank you. Do watch.
Empowering and arming kind of army of change makers, and I want to see lots of change makers coming out of this camp in the military style, if I was to say, to bring positive changes in this world.
And then I started to work in a video production company for 4 years, like a producer. I came in India 2 years ago to study healing, and now I'm trying to find a way to mix healing and my art, and video can be a good way.
I am Deepa. I live in the city of Hyderabad in the south of India, and I narrate stories. That's what I do for a living. Like Sonam was talking about, one of the oldest forms of communication, which is orally telling stories. And there's a saying about oral storytelling that stories written in stone will fade away, but stories that are told orally will live forever. The belief that this keeps passing. So every medium of storytelling, particularly oral, appeals to me. I also write. I've worked with the All India Radio for about 5 years, and it's in the last 1 year or so that things related to film have happened. Made a small film with Auroville last year, very tiny one. Acted in a film again last year.
Hi guys, I'm Smriti, I'm 20. I am a paper cutting artist. I am a media anthropology graduate from St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. I am a 1 year baby into filmmaking, so I'm still figuring it out. I actually started it with her, Samiha. We had a, I don't know what to call it, something called as Binge Factory, where we aim to bring the discipline of sociology and anthropology together with filmmaking. So that's why I'm interested to be here and take that idea forward. So yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Samiha. I graduated in cultural anthropology from St. Xavier's College. I used to be a writer for theatre for as long as I could remember, but very recently I started my transition into screenwriting, and so I wanted to attend a filmmaking course wherein I can gather the technical sides of it without really leaving my academic ideals aside, because a lot of times, like you say, majority of filmmaking courses that I was kind of browsing through were very heavily technical, but I think, like ma'am said, the conscious philosophical base was somewhere missing.
Hi guys, I'm Pankhari. I am from Bombay. I study in Bangalore in Srishti. And so if you think about knowledge, it is the more you know, you realize how less you know. So that is the hunger for knowledge and the hunger for experience, meeting new people and exploring new parts of myself is what drove me here.
Hi guys, I'm Stanjan. I'm a native here, and I come from Leh specifically. And yeah, we had like a semester of visual anthropology, and I figured that I really like it, and I was like, I want to do it more. But then like it's really hard to find any courses like specifically for visual anthropology, especially in India. So now my approach is like, I'll do some technicalities in filmmaking, and then like try to incorporate my knowledge in anthropology along with filmmaking, and like do something with it. Yeah, so that's how I came about to take part in this workshop.
Hi guys, I'm Vanshika. First, I'm really happy to be here and really excited for this thing. So as for film, I was 16 when I made my first film. It was a documentary film about the history of Bombay, and it was a group project and nobody took initiative, so I just did it for the sake of it. But like, it was 12 hours of constant editing, shooting, voiceover, everything. And by the end of it, I felt a satisfaction I'd never felt in my entire life. So I decided that this is something I could definitely do for the rest of my life.
Hello everyone, I'm Taspa from Sakti. I actually do cinematography as professional from 2010 in DTK Leh as an assistant cinematographer. There I see many scopes from I can show about Ladakh to people through documentaries. That's why I want to know and want to learn about how to write a script or how to make a direction, because I know only to shoot only. That's why I'm here.
Hi everyone, my name is Shravan. I was born in Orissa, and I'm exploring the journey of life in Ladakh here. And like Sonam sir said, I'm allowed to explore communication, all mediums of communication, and articulation.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant Shrivastava. I'm from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. I'm trying to find myself in the acting part. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Him. So like me roaming around with this camera and tripod, it might look like I'm a professional, but trust me, I'm handling a camera for the first time in my life. So in the last year of our college, we were supposed to make a documentary, and the documentary was given to us like 4 months ago. And just before the 4 days of the deadline, I was like, shit man, what do I do now? I've started nothing. So what I do is I called up my friend Priyanshi and I asked her, bro, did you start like the documentary project? She's like, no. So I'm like, okay. So now what I'm going to do is my documentary is going to be about I'm going to create a documentary about you creating a documentary. So that was the title of my documentary. Like she was shooting, I was like shooting her, like her mistakes, her failures, everything I captured. And it turned out to be pretty well, like the thing which I did in 48 hours, that's what the faculty said. So there's that. Like I also do a lot of theatres, like from school and college. And currently I'm a social media executive and a content writer at a branding and marketing consultancy called Because.
And I have discovered in Ladakh, and I'm so grateful to Ladakh. I'm coming since 20 years in Ladakh. It's my second house, I will say. Communication is a kindness. I really feel and live and practice and receive the love of the people with that word. And for me that is a real communication. But anyway, you are here to explore Ladakh. Ladakh most of the time is a big dream because it's so beautiful and the people are so kind.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Vashisht. First of all, to be honest with you all, and my heart is pumping so fast right now just to give my introduction, and maybe that's why I'm here to feel this. I live in Kasauli, which is a town in Himachal Pradesh, and I've always been fascinated with stories, and I have been practicing storytelling in some way or the other from my childhood. So see how scared I am. So I'm here to experience this side of myself and be with you all, learn with you all, and practice with you all. Yeah. Thank you. Jule Jule.
I'm from northeastern part of India, and I somehow got a camera and they were like, चलो कैमरा है, चलो हम लोग के साथ कुछ shoot कर लेगा तुम भी. So I used to go with them, and that's how I got to learn. Like I don't know, I was like, I was never into art and all, but those people, they're like look at something and like they always like wonder, like, and I was like curious, like what are they like, There's one incident in like my place when I first bought the camera, and we were like clicking rhinos and all in the Povitara Wildlife Sanctuary, and suddenly all the photographers were like shooting a hill behind me, and I asked them like, what are you guys up to? Like, why like shooting the hill instead of the rhinos? And they were like saying, you see the light? You see the light? That's how I got to there's like lights involved in all those things. That's how my curiosity began regarding the.
I didn't have any knowledge about filmmaking. I had no background in photography, nothing like that. So everything I learned about it was online through YouTube videos. I observe YouTube videos and see what the other people are doing. And then every time I picked up a camera, I was trying to inculcate that in my own way and form. So then slowly I started capturing places that I've been to, and sometimes I try to make them into stories. Sometimes I just make compilations of the places I've been to.
So then later I realized that camera, because with the phone you are always shooting like auto mode, you're just pointing and shooting, so that you don't have to do much rather than the composition. So with the camera I then started exploring. There's so much in camera, you know, it's not just you just point and shoot, it's so much of things that works inside the camera. So that really got me interested in that. So ever since that, then I started like exploring. So this was 3 years back when I started like exploring more into cameras. And then I got to learn more the technical part from only like learning from YouTube, watching tutorials as such. So I never got to learn anything from like any like say workshop or any institution. Short video on them making this ice stupa. And then that video finally reached Mr. Wangchuk, and he saw the video, and then he was really impressed by it, and then he he asked me to meet. And then yeah, from then onwards I have been working with him for last 3-4 years. So mainly focusing on like how to like get the stories from Ladakh, plus how to make people more aware about the environmental challenges that especially we are facing today. So for this course I will be like I don't have much of knowledge or anything, but yeah, we'll still try to learn from you all, and also try to like whatever I know I can help you with. So
हाँ जी, तो रात के हो रहा है 8 बजे, तो टाइम अभी हो रहा है 8 बजे। तो इसके बाद शायद कुछ लोगों के लिए डिनर भी ख़त्म हो गया होगा और सोने की टाइम हो रहा होगा, बट मेरे लिए ये चीज़ अभी नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी दिन को मैं जैसे कि आई वेंट टू हाई इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर लर्निंग फिल्म, हाई इंस्टीट्यूट में एक फिल्म मेकिंग का वर्कशॉप चल रहा है, तो मैं दिन को वहाँ गए थे, और रात को मैं पार्ट टाइम जॉब करता हूँ। ये आपको बताऊँ तो मैं लद्दाख डिलीवरी पे एज अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब काम करता हूँ। दिन को मैं फिल्म मेकिंग कोर्स के लिए हाइल जाता हूँ, ठीक है जी। तो अभी मेरा डिलीवरी करने का लोकेशन है ले से लद्दाख स्काउट रेजिमेंट स्टेशन। तो अभी हम पहुंच गए, ये वाला है एयरपोर्ट, और यहाँ पे आपको न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ एयरपोर्ट देख सकते हैं, और यहाँ से हम जाके शायद 5-10 किलोमीटर आगे जाके हमें मिलेगा अपना फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन। बट nevertheless you should push yourself far beyond your limits, एंड जो हम कहते हैं ना कंफर्ट जोन, उससे बाहर किक करो अपने आप को। यस यू कैन डू इट, यस यू कैन डू इट, इट्स टाइम टू डू, इट्स टाइम टू डू, इट्स टाइम टू डू। यही मौका है, आज नहीं तो कभी नहीं। सो दैट्स द डे माय डे बी लाइक। ओके जी, अभी हो रहा है रात के 1 बजे। तो एडिटिंग करते करते मुझे रात के 1 बज भी जाता है, या कभी कभी 1-2 भी हो जाता है। बट आई लव टू डू इट, एंड आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन वीडियोग्राफी एंड एडिटिंग, एंड ये मुझे मतलब इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं लगता, मतलब जिसमें मुझे इंटरेस्ट है वही मैं कर रहा हूँ। तो अगर आप जो चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है उसी को करने की कोशिश करें, उस स्किल को इन्हेंस करें, मेरा यही सजेशन है। और